Hey viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a how-to video of sorts. This is the first time making a video explaining how to do anything other than give political commentary on stuff. But not today. What I have for you is how I, in a very simple way, turn my exercise bike into a reclined exercise bike using a chair and some nylon webbing and some plastic ABS buckles. So I'm going to play this video and describe how I made this here. Here we go. Okay, now first I'm just showing this wooden deck thing that I made. I powered this through batteries. Hey, go back. That I powered it through a battery. Neat. Okay, let's keep going. Anyway, here's the contraption I made. So, you got the nylon webbing. You sew your buckles through it. You'll have to look at another video to see how to do the buckles on the webbing. I'm not going to show you how to do that, at least not right now. But you can figure it out. If you know how to, if you can figure out nylon webbing, you can figure this out. And I'm showing here the way I've got it attached underneath. I'm going to give you a better view. But what I did was I have another buckle with a strap sewn around. Basically, it's going around the legs of the chair. It buckles together. I sewed the other buckles to it, these, so that I could wrap the other strap around. I'm going to pull it all apart so that you can see. And here I go. Here I go. Proving it. Proving it works. It's wonderful. I got a nice leisurely pace. Okay, that's enough of me working out. Here we go. I'm going to show you how this thing comes apart. Unclip those straps that go around the seat bar. And then you've got the straps that go around the chair legs. So you just need a chair that you can strap around the legs. It's got a buckle attached to it on the back, so you can clip it around. You can adjust that buckle for whatever your chair length width is gonna be. And then here we go. Then I've got this other strap here. Every time I move this, it brings this thing up. The controls up. So, well, you can't see my finger if I point over here. I've got this strap sewn to it here. Got a buckle on each end there. And that's how it attaches to the chair. Super easy. There it is. Look at that. Turned it into a recumbent bike. You can do this too. You can do this. I believe in you, you YouTube people. Okay, well that's what I've got for you. What do you think of this do-it-yourself recumbent bike? Am I onto something here? Should I make these straps and sell them on the Etsy? Would you buy them? Is this $1 million idea? Are we going to see this showing up on the market to turn your regular upright bike into a recumbent? I can sell chairs with it. I'm going to sell chairs like this with these straps. Well, that's what I've got for you. Maybe I'll do another video on my tray here. My battery powered bike. Anyway, that would be a different video. All right. Well, thanks, viewer. There's my how-to. How did I do on my how-to today? Please leave a comment. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to occasionally have other videos of just random how-to stuff, fix-it stuff. And it's not always going to be political. It's going to be a lot of political. But today, it wasn't political. This is for anyone. There you go. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.